So we must need suffering, but we just need to learn how to manage, how to regulate them. And if we do, then we also may calculate. My thought, and you simply listen, watch. You don't have to do, you simply watch. You become very, very objective observer, okay? Because you are looking at your experience, not looking from our emotions or thoughts, okay? All right, okay. So far what I share with you is one concept, and that concept is attention. Attention exists within all mental states, all emotion, even the sadness, anxious, fear also need attention, okay? But here, the attention is designated object, selected object. So I'll bring this one. So let's say this is our designated object, maybe you, okay? And so you all look at here, and then if you stay your mind like a mandala, as long as you stay your mind within the mandala of this book cover, then your mind is paying attention. But whenever your mind goes out of this book, then your mind is wandering and experiencing distraction. Okay? So far you're learning, you have learned attention, and through attention on the designated object, then you gain awareness. So if you ask, how can I increase my awareness? Then you select an object like a toy, and then the particular toy, and you sit with that toy or phone, and then you are having attention, and through that awareness of watching different games. All right, so next one. Okay. Okay. All right, so this is clear, so I will just move to the next. Okay. What is this one? Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. So now, it is very helpful to know the opposing mental factors. So if you learn something negative, then you learn the positive side. Okay? So when you learn something, this concept, when you learn awareness, then you want to learn unawareness. Okay? So that's what I'm trying to. And in Tibetan, it's called Sheshin Mayimba. That's one of the mental factor, or Semjung Sheshin Mayimba. Unawareness is a mental factor that is lacking in awareness and intentionality while performing routine activities. So if I drive from Olympia to here without any awareness, consciousness, without knowing how I get here, and that will be a good example of non-awareness. Okay? All right. Okay, so it explains the effect of non-awareness. Okay? So basically, the opposite of awareness is these days called automatic pilot mode. Automatic pilot mode. So because of automatic pilot mode, then we tend to ruminate on negative things, stressful things, and then it gets bigger and bigger, and then we go through the cycle, and then we go through the cycle of suffering or sadness or anxiety. Okay, next. So, So, earlier I was talking about awareness, and this recollection or memory is equally important. So it relates to the awareness, the out of four, the first awareness. Awareness plus recollection. So in Tibetan, it is called Temba. Okay, I may ask you later on the spelling of Temba, Taradhartana Temba. Okay, so please pay attention. I may ask. Okay, so awareness is important, but I feel that this is more important for all age, especially younger kids who are distracted by many things, and it affects their life. And for adults, not only the mental capacity, but the aging process, we do lose our memory and recollection. So this is very important. So in order to increase our attention, we need not only awareness, but also recollection. So recollection has three characteristics. So when I say three characteristics, that means in order to have effective recollection, then we must have these three. Okay? That is in Tibetan philosophy, we'll say Tsenyi and Tsunja. Tsunja is just the term Temba, and Tsenyi is the definition. So definition consists these three. Okay, so can someone read? Maybe younger participants, can you read these three, please? Can you read? Volunteers? Can you read these three? Yes, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah. Read it. These three. Object, aspect, and function. Yeah, read it.
Object, observing that has been familiarized.
Yes. Right. This. So now, this is what we need to improve our reading, improve our writing, and how to learn Tibetan language, our culture, everything what we do in our life. If we want to be happy, we need recollection. Okay. Now, in terms of definition of recollection. Recollection, the memory, always arise when we are able to engage something that we know already. Okay? So because of that, we need to repeat and condition ourselves again and again. So going back to this book, so if this were our designated object, so I have to come back here again. I saw first time, second time, third time. Now this book is familiarized for my mind, and so now I just come back here again and again. And then the aspect meaning the mode of understanding. And so, of course, then I need to remember what is my designated object again and again. Okay? And thirdly, the function, meaning more recollection we have, greater capacity to prevent our mind from mental distractions. Okay, so anyhow, and so here's the example: a student remembering one's influential teacher. So I myself remember my teacher because my teacher is a familiarized object for me for many times. So now I'm recalling my teacher's kindness. And if I do that, then it will bring how I can repay, okay, like that. All right. So this maybe I won't go detail, but you can see it. This is the reason why we need those three. Okay. Next, please. So I want to know how much time we have.